Hey guys, it's Ben with Exceptional Glass, 8883 Glass. Today we are in Roosevelt Park, New Jersey, and we're doing a Cambridge bypass sliding enclosure. What the frick is a Cambridge? What's a Cambridge? I'm glad you asked, rude old man. So the Cambridge is actually a fully customizable dual bypass sliding enclosure. It comes in 3 finishes. It comes in matte black, polished stainless, and brushed stainless. Why don't we go ahead and check it out.
Yeah, that font is too, you don't want to take font, you want modern. 1.5, quarter.
Alright guys, so here we are. This is the bypass Cambridge customized frameless shower enclosure. Again, we customize this stuff, we cut it, we prepare it. The only thing we don't do is the tempering, but most people don't really temper. This is in brushed stainless hardware, and as you see, customizable, meaning, see that? It's actually hitting the grout line up top. The advantage of this is that both doors physically operate back and forth, with no tracking on the walls and no tracking on the floor. Now all you really see here, as far as these are just weather strips. These are just pieces that are necessary, as glass cannot necessarily just touch a tile wall, of course, because obviously glass can break. And there's no bottom threshold. All there is just another weather stripping that's added to the bottom, just as a fail-safe. This is not even part of the system itself. We like to do this just as a preventative measure to reduce a possible service call, and that's pretty much it. Alright, if you guys need one of these, please feel free to give us a call, 888-83-GLASS, or visit our website at njglassdoors.com. Hey guys, it's Ben with Exceptional Glass, 8883 Glass. Today we are in Roosevelt, oops, wrong way, that way. Hey guys, it's Ben with Exceptional Glass, 8883 Glass. Today we are in way again.